Alright guys, I was working on the anthill project that I decided to just go ahead and go full on out, and check this out. I'm using my phone guys, so don't give me too much shit, okay? It's just having fun. Look, they got bugs or beetles on spikes. They got death pits of stickers. They're still pulling that mouse and they're taking them in from the inside out. I found a bone that I stuck there. Found a dead moth, so he's their flag. And then, oh yeah, made him a little feeding plate. Or I found a perfectly flat rock for a feeding plate. There's some more death spikes for any enemies that come in. Here, I'll give you guys a look from the inside. Man, I need a Steadicam thing, guys. That's what I need. Whew. This is super shaky. Hold still. What do you guys think? You like it? The ants like it. I've been sitting out here for quite a while doing this, and they have not been fucking with me at all. I think they enjoy it. They've been using going up and down the track, the walkway, the entryway. Just having fun with nature. I'll see you guys in the comments.